And welcome back, everybody. My name's Mr. Owings. I am working on Ozaria for JavaScript. We're in Chapter 4, Module 2, and we're working on Refoxion. That's the episode, Refoxion. Ugh, my head, someone hit me from behind. Octans must have some code totems. Let's stop, he has the code totems. You must stop him. Use the restore spell. So, looks like we need to target Octans, so let Octans be Octans. Okay, so let's use our function. Looks like we want to make a function, so we'll start there. And I'm just going to call it move and restore. I would imagine that's something they would want. And I need to have an up movement. So we'll go up steps and right steps. Open our function, and then it looks like we need to have, so let's say we were doing 2 and 2, we would have our hero move right 2 up 2. So let's start there. Hero, right steps, and then up, up steps. Perfect. And then let's get mouse into location. So mouse would go up steps, and mouse would move right steps. And then, we need to have mouse bark. We'll use that there. And then we need to have our hero. So it looks like the Octans will be going to the next code totem. So our hero should use cast time and restore on Octans. Right? Octans, perfect. Now let's see how that works. So let's do move and restore. You can call this anything you want. Just try and make it something that kind of makes sense. And let's do 2, 2. And let's see what that does for us. So our hero moves into location. Woof. And we've restored him. Perfect. Okay, let's do this again then. So now we're going to move right, then move up. So we need to go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And it looks like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's do it again. Move and restore. I'm just going to copy this. Move and restore. And this time we want to have up B1. And we want to have right B4. So that should tag him a second time, right? Make that 3. I don't know where I learned to count from. So that should tag him, right? Because then he's going to come into the cloud. We'll tag him again. And we have to go back and do it again. So let's do move and restore again. I already have it in the clipboard. It looks like we need to go right 2 and up 1. Then we should get him that last time. Let's see where he goes this time. Okay, so then let's go get him. So if this makes sense, this is very similar to what we've been writing. We have move and restore, up steps, right steps. Our hero is going to move based on the up and right we've assigned. Mouse will move based on the up and right, and then mouse will bark, and we'll cast our spell targeting Octans because there is only one target. And then we call it 3 different times, giving the different numbers so that we can get Octans wherever he goes. So now it looks like we are going to have to sneak right. right? And then sneak 1, 2, 3, right? 1. So we're here. 1, 2, down 2. So sneak down 2. And then I think we can just cast on Octans again. Okay, let's see if that passes. And it looks like that's going to pass everything. So if you found this helpful, like I said, my best advice is to try and do it on your own, but then you are not completely stuck. There's a lot we can do to help you. Oh, wow, he got more red. More fox-like, you might say. So we'll scare him, we'll tag him again. Now he looks a lot more like a fox. And then we're going to get him one more time. If this was helpful, go ahead and give it a like. If you have any comments or questions, go ahead and ask in the bottom or in the comment section. I'd love to help you with anything you're struggling on, especially if you're wanting to understand, because functions is one of the most powerful tools I can give you. And I think that you should be excited. So Refoxion, there we go. Okay. And I'll catch you in the next one.